a common issue to get stuck trying to build muscle while shedding fat, caught between advice that just doesn't work. Science can give you the best tips to actually gain serious muscle mass without piling on unwanted fat. Most people think the only way to get big is by adding lots of calories, but what if that approach is only setting you back? In this video, we're breaking down the science of lean bulking, revealing how you can strategically add muscle without the fat gain, and why the right mix of protein, carbs, and training timing is the real key to success. Welcome to Levitas. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred quick energy source, but they can fast-track fat storage when consumed. When you eat carbs, they break down into glucose, which the body uses immediately for energy, or stores as glycogen in the muscles and liver. However, once glycogen stores are full, any additional glucose gets stored as fat. This process makes carbs a double-edged sword. They're essential for intense workouts, but without balance can lead to rapid fat gain. This is why monitoring your carb intake during a lean bulk is crucial to avoid excess fat while fueling muscle growth. Surplus calories are essential for growth, but excess energy, especially from carbs and fats, almost always leads to fat gain. When you're trying to build muscle without a large calorie surplus, protein becomes your go-to nutrient. Without excess calories, protein helps prevent muscle breakdown, providing the amino acids needed to repair and grow muscles. This lean bulk strategy emphasizes protein, so you can maintain and even gain muscle without accumulating fat. So, the less surplus you rely on, the more you'll need to increase your protein to keep your muscles in growth mode and minimize unwanted weight gain. Protein is fundamental to muscle building, and for lean bulking, hitting the right amount is key. Research shows that having at least 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily can help maximize muscle growth and prevent fat gain. This amount supplies your body with essential amino acids, which are the building blocks for repairing muscle tissues and stimulating muscle protein synthesis, especially after a workout. When you're consuming fewer surplus calories, this higher protein intake can help ensure your muscles receive the fuel needed for growth without the extra fat from additional calories. But protein has another very interesting effect of your body. Protein not only fuels muscle growth but also has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more energy digesting it compared to fats and carbs. This effect helps you lean bulk more effectively by increasing overall calorie burn while minimizing fat storage. Additionally, this level of protein intake helps curb hunger, making it easier to control calorie intake and avoid snacking on less healthy, fat-gaining foods. For those seeking a lean, muscular physique, this high-protein approach keeps your body primed for muscle growth and fat loss simultaneously. If you're new to muscle building, you have a unique advantage known as newbie gains. Unlike seasoned lifters, beginners can build muscle more efficiently, even without a calorie surplus. This is because when the body is introduced to strength training, reacts strongly to the new stimulus by building muscle as an adaptive response, even at maintenance or slightly below maintenance calories. For beginners, existing body fat can act as an energy reserve, aiding in muscle growth while burning fat. For advanced lifters, however, the body adapts to the training stimulus, and additional calories are required to continue building muscle. This is why experienced individuals often need a calculated calorie surplus, as their bodies have adapted to training and require extra energy to trigger muscle growth. So, if you're just starting, consider maintaining your calories while focusing on high protein intake. This approach lets you maximize initial gains without adding unnecessary fat, setting a solid foundation for muscle growth before you eventually need a surplus. For effective lean bulking, aim to increase protein intake by 10 grams for every 100 calorie surplus. This strategy works because the extra protein supports muscle growth without contributing to excessive fat gain, as protein has a lower conversion rate to fat compared to carbs and fats. So, for each small calorie increase, the additional protein helps ensure those calories are directed toward muscle-building processes, reducing the likelihood of fat storage. This precise protein increase keeps your body in a state that's optimal for muscle growth, especially when paired with resistance training. Additionally, protein has a satiating effect, meaning that adding protein to your calorie surplus can prevent overindulgence and make it easier to maintain a controlled, steady bulk. By adding 10 grams of protein per 100 calories, you're essentially guiding your surplus toward muscle rather than fat, helping you stay leaner throughout the process, which is ideal for anyone looking to bulk lean. This small but impactful adjustment ensures that your calories go exactly where you want them. Let's continue by answering the next question. Can losing fat first help you build muscle easier? Yes, starting with a leaner physique can make muscle building more efficient. When you reduce body fat before bulking, you prime your body to gain muscle more effectively by creating a healthier hormonal environment. Lower body fat correlates with improved insulin sensitivity, meaning your body is better equipped to direct nutrients toward muscle cells rather than fat storage. This heightened sensitivity allows you to use calories and carbs more effectively, supporting lean muscle gain without the fat. Additionally, beginning a bulk with lower fat levels can enhance visible muscle definition, providing immediate visual feedback that can keep you motivated. Losing fat first also boosts your baseline metabolism, as your body is more metabolically active with lower fat levels. This combination of increased insulin sensitivity and enhanced metabolism forms an ideal base for building quality muscle mass. Leaner individuals tend to see more muscle growth with less fat gain, compared to those who bulk from a higher body fat percentage, making it a strategic choice to drop some fat before diving into a lean bulk. How to alternate fasted and fed training for improved results. Fasting and fed training each have unique benefits for muscle growth and fat loss. Fasted workouts can improve fat oxidation, which is ideal for those aiming to maintain low body fat during a bulk. Training in a fed state, especially after consuming protein, primes your muscles for growth, maximizing protein synthesis. Alternating these training states allows you to take advantage of both worlds, fat burning on fasted days and muscle building on fed days. This varied approach keeps the body adapting, helping you to stay lean while building muscle, creating a well-rounded and efficient path to a leaner bulk. Carbs play a vital role in muscle-building workouts, providing quick energy and possibly enhancing performance. Training with carbs in your system may lead to more intense, productive sessions, potentially boosting muscle growth. On the other hand, training without carbs encourages the body to use fat for energy, helping you stay lean. Alternating between these two approaches keeps your body flexible in its energy use, optimizing both fat burning and muscle gain. By strategically timing your carb intake around specific workouts, you can fuel muscle growth without excess fat, maximizing the effectiveness of your lean bulking plan. In conclusion, carbohydrates, while a quick energy source, can lead to rapid fat gain. This is why careful monitoring of carb intake is essential in lean bulking to avoid fat storage. While calorie surplus aids muscle growth, excess calories, especially from carbs and fats, often result in fat gain. Without this surplus, protein becomes essential, helping prevent muscle breakdown and encouraging growth. Consuming at least 2 grams of protein per kilogram ensures your muscles have the fuel needed for growth without adding fat. For beginners, initial muscle gains don't demand a surplus, as their bodies adapt efficiently to new training. Adding 10 grams of protein for every 100 calorie surplus also keeps the body in an optimal muscle-building state, minimizing fat accumulation. Also, remember that starting with a leaner physique and alternating between fasted and fed workouts, as well as carb session and carb-free sessions, enhances results. This multifaceted approach balances muscle growth with effective fat management, perfecting the lean bulking journey. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.